In the 1970s, I was chunking away on a manual typewriter, my bony fingers hammering keys like I was forging swords instead of essays. Every typo was a small tragedy, the kind that required correction fluid, deep breathing, and occasionally a short nap. In a way, the typewriter was my first gym membership, and it only put my fingers through the calisthenics. And the backspace? In the 70s, that was called swearing and starting over. Typewriters were so noisy, they were basically percussion instruments for stressed-out students. When the personal computer came along, I discovered the magic of backspace and Control-Z. Typos became less scary, and my writing became twice as reckless. I mean, you could undo mistakes instantly, which made me dangerously overconfident in my spelling skills. Then high-tech phones made typing portable and made thumbs the new MVP of the human body. This required a whole new gym workout. I've composed emails in line at the DMV, on a bus, and once while pretending to listen to someone explain cryptocurrency. Autocorrect has turned me into a part-time translator for my own messages. One time I was typing "love you lots," and it became "lob your lats," another subconscious slip about exercise, I think. Then came autocorrect, which isn't a tool, truth is. It's a prankster that lives in your phone, rent-free. I'm convinced the next step is telepathic typing, where the device reads my thoughts and accidentally sends them to my boss. And he wants to know, why is your email just Mondays followed by a drawing of a potato?